Oh, go. Go pick. Dun pa, ayun o, in the middle.
Can you hold this?
Okay.
Oh, can I get the green one?
No, just the red ones. The big ones. Not the small ones, anak. Go, move pa dun.
Oh, look! The green one is already big.
But that's not yet fresh. It's not sweet.
Those are sweet, the red one.
Yeah, the red ones are the sweet ones.
Is this? What's that?
I can't see it. Don't pick it.
Is this a red one?
Yeah. Over here, anak ko, this one, no? This is so pretty.
Okay.
Sige dyan. Go get it from here. No, stay there. Stay there. Wait. I'll get it later na lang. It's a little far. Oh, come on. Let's look for more strawberries.
Mommy, how many are these?
You count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9.
Oh, give me some.
I'll put it in here. Go pick your own.
This is so much fun.
Let me see.
Ta-da!
Is it fun?
Yep.
That's good.
So windy. Oh, I see a red one.
Oh, go get it.
Where?
Hey, I thought you saw the red one.
Here, I
Oh,
see.
yan. Oh, you reach it. That's too small.
That's okay about this.
Wag small, anak.
I can't reach it. They have to so short.
Your hands are so short.
I'm going to go to you.
Okay. Here, honey. Oh.
Peekaboo.
Oh, that's not red yet.
Oh, I see one. Mommy, I see one.
Go get it.
This is so much fun. Mommy, I got to sing a song.
Okay.
Little mix.
Wait, honey. Wait. I found something.
What?
This one.
Whoa.
Ang liliit naman yung pick mo eh.
Let's go find some more stuff.
Dito pa. Ayun, dun.
Look.
Oh! Uh-oh.
My strawberries.
Oh no. Go pick them up.
They're dirty.
It's okay. We can clean them up. Are you
Okay.
hurt? No? Cool. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let me see. Let me see your face. It's okay.
Mine.
It's okay. We'll clean it up later.
I can't eat the strawberries anymore.
Doon tayo kay ate. Dali. Let's go to ate. Over there. Wait, let's pause. Ano? I wanna take your photo. Smile. Pose. You show me your basket. Sige na, let's go.
Oh, so many small trees.
Oh yeah,
Small trees.
they are cute.
I want small trees in my house.
You want small trees in your house? Wag dyan. Over there, oh, dun sa may shoes. Smile.
Mommy, look! Strawberry!
Where? Oopsie.
Thank you.
Go over there now, on the red shoe.
There? There, Mom?
Yeah.
On the red shoe now.
Go down. Ito, dami oh, anak. No, dami oh. Daming strawberries. Watch your step.
Oh, the green one.
No, I see a lot of red ones. big red ones. Here, oh.
Oh, that one is already big when it grows. Kamina. Oh, let's go take off this.
Huwag mo na ito na. Hi.
Hi.
Ganda mo.
Let's go cut it with my scissors.
Later na nga natin cut. Ah. Honey, where are you going? You're not picking your strawberries naman.
How many of these, Mommy?
You count them because I cannot see them.
10, Mommy.
Whoa, awesome.
Yay, I got 10. Yay. Mommy, can I show everyone my strawberries?
Later. Are you done picking?
Yep.
Ayaw mo na?
Because I got 10 now.
10 only? I want a lot.
I got 10 now, Mommy. How about you? Do you got 10?
No.
Let me see.
Hmm.
Mommy, look.
What is it?
Here. Mommy,
You got small ones.
the blue one is yours and the orange is mine.
Yeah.
Can I, Mommy?
Dito
I'm gonna
tayo.
hold your basket, okay?
Honey, here. Whoa.
Mommy.
Mm-hmm. Bebo, dito. Dami, oh.
Here, Mommy, your basket.
Thank you.
Mommy,
Go get your, ano.
cut.
Ito pa, oh.
Mommy.
Oh, slippery.
Mommy,
Hmm.
you don't like to take off this and this.
Oh, you later we'll take it off, okay?
Please, no, na. No, not please.
Kasi dirty dito, it would get dirty.
Mommy,
Over there on the other side, go.
Mommy, how many are these now? Think I got a knot.
Yeah, I think so too. Here,
You-
oh. Ang dami, oh. Hi.
I got some.
But that's not yet pink. Over
Mommy,
there. Oh,
this one's just like the shape of a heart.
it is. Go over there. Oh, ayun po, dami.
Is this one?
Yeah. Go.
I see a small one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I found one.
Hmm.
Oh, I got a knot! Yay! I got a knot! I got a knot!
Let me see.
Mommy, let
Oh,
me see.
dun pa.
Oh, parehas tayo naman na lahat.
Mm-hmm.
Parehas tayo.
Yes, parehas tayo.
Mommy,
Po.
can I show everyone my strawberries now? Because I got a knot now.
Are you done picking strawberries?
Yeah. I'm done.
Would you mind waiting for me?
Okay.
I want to pick more.
You have to go now because you like to eat one.
Bakit mo ako iwan?
I want to show everyone my strawberry.
Kawawa naman si Mommy.
That's okay about that.
Hmm? Iwan mo ko.
Just kidding. I'm just kidding, Mom.
Kawawa naman si Mommy. Iniwan na.
I'm right here.
Ay! You're there pala. Hi.
Mommy,
Po.
do you have a knock?
Yeah. Look.
Oh, perhaps tayo.
Mm-hmm.
Mama ko. Can I see again?
Mine, I got more.
I got more too.
Oh, this. Oh. To go pick them. Oh, ang dami oh.
You're getting slow, Mommy. I'm getting faster.
You are very fast. Oh.
My hat.
Oopsie. The strawberry's getting broken.
Oh no. I found the red one. Oh, this is not red. Oh. Keep searching, everyone.
Keep searching. Keep on searching.
Thanks, Mom. I got a knot. I got a knot, Mom.
Are we done?
I think so.
Oh, ka na.
Come
Go
on.
get them.
Here.
Dun, you get it. Give it to ate.
So heavy. Heavy.
Ayaw na?
Heavy, Mommy.
Oh, you go. Let's weigh it in. Put everything in your basket. Put those in here. Go. Ito, put the strawberries in here.
So we can have a lot.
Ayaw niya na daw, pagod na siya. Hi, Han.
I got a lot, eh.
Got a lot na. Tired na rin ako, eh. Napuan niya yung sa strawberry. Ay, nadapaan niya.
Look!
Wow.
Caesar!
Give ate your scissor. It's not yours.
Dagdagan ko na lang, ma'am, para maging 1 kilo.
Okay lang siguro yan. Kahit hindi, kiluhin mo na lang.
Kasi minimum 1 kilo, ma'am.
sige.
Sayang naman kung babayaran nyo yung 458.
Sige. Oh, honey. Yung magaganda ate ha. Kasi tamad kami.
Let's open the Caesar.